Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Oh, man. Nothing like a little bit of caffeine in the morning. Get that body pumping. Body pumping. Well, we got some big moves here. Got some big moves here in the overnight right now. Got some big moves. Check this bad boy out. Well, we've got a new leaderboard. Or we have a leaderboard for the the Legends trading tournament. I don't even know who this is. Olympic Merchant. Because the name's not on there. But I was trying to figure out who is up. Who is up that big? Olympic Merchant. Must be this guy. I think it's this guy. Alright, so right now we got D-Money. D-Money staying alive currently. We got D-Money's got to step it up a little bit more. Got to step it up a little bit more today. Got to beat Mighty Ox. Take home the win for the BDH. Come on, baby, because looking like Denny blew it. He got to battle back real hard if he wants to get serious here. Denny's gonna have to battle back real hard. So we've got the top leaderboard right now of the tournament here. The P&Ls. We got Olympic Merchant, which I think is the guy. I think it's this guy. Possibly. We got Forex Ike, actually. Forex Ike's number 6 right now. Forex Ike, number 6. You got Kellyanne up there. And D-Money right now. Just hanging out just outside. Just outside of the top 10 here. So it's a head-to-head battle. It's a 2-day tournament per round. And we'll see who advances. So it looks like if D-Money advances today, he'll be going against damn good Kyle, looks like. So, oh, buddy, gotta get it going. Gotta get it going right now. Nasdaq 29,617s, moving down here overnight right now. Looking a little bearish. Looking a little bearish right now, huh? Just right now. Looking a little bearish. Looking a little bearish. Looking a little bearish. So right now, going into open here. Going into open right now. Hourly chart, obviously not looking too hot. We could not hold yesterday's low area, or the overnight low. Could not hold that. So we broke through it. It's $1 million question now. Will we move back into this level? There's a lot of lows down there. A lot of lows down there, so we'll see what happens. 29,640 right now, holding up there. A lot of lows. Got the VWAP there, 29,719 area right now. A pivot point there as well at that 718 area. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Looking a little bearish. A little bit. A little bit. Look at the daily chart right now. Lots of chop currently. Pretty much all of June now. June, July, chop city. We are putting in higher lows, but we're putting in lower highs. So on the daily chart right now, we're getting really tight. Right, getting real tight here. That's the daily chart, kind of wedge right now. So see what happens. Jonathan Stonks, $5. Morning PW. Good morning, good morning. Getting it going here. Oh man. Good move overnight though here. Pretty nice move. 6 o'clock open. Market obviously tanking. Big move down here, about 400 points overnight. So we'll see at open, do buyers step in? Do buyers step in here at the lows? We're gonna have to see. Will they step in? Anything's possible, obviously. But as of right now, just kind of sitting down here at the lows. The overnight low here is 29,560. So you think ideally we would pull back, swipe that low, and then push back up there. But you never know. You never know. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. $15-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, I'm just kind of like looking at this thing and looking tight either way. Pretty much all of London just kind of holding there for now. Am I in a trade? No. No. Uncle Bugatti, can I donate for you to give away to the chat? You can donate to me, and then I'll just keep it. I'll just keep it for myself. Thank you very much. Am I sick? No, guys, we're just waking up here. It's still early in the morning. It is literally 6 o'clock in the morning here in California. So give me a minute, you know. Give me a minute. Just getting it going. What is that triangle tattoo on your arm? That's what it is. It's the Illuminati. Illuminati. It's the Illuminati. The Illuminati. It's the Illuminati. Alright, this music's going too hard right now. It's too hard music. It's too hard right now. Too hard right now. Too hard right now. Uncle Bugatti just paid $150. Give a free account to chat. $150 just for me now, buddy boy. Just for me, buddy boy. Just for me. Trying to find the music right now, the vibe. Uncle Bugatti bought me lunch. I mean, actually $150 would buy us a lot because, well, we're going to Mexico today, flying down in the helicopter to Mexico. Me and Landon are flying down to Mexico to go look at a house. Going to look at a house down in Mexico, so. My internet's like cutting in and out right now. What is going on? Uh-oh. Oh, God. I don't know what's going on. Huh. Huh. Gotta get D-Money up on the roof to fix the satellite. Gotta get D-Money out there to fix the satellite right now. Everybody, I'll find you the hottest house in Mexico. I don't want a hot house. I want a cool house. All right, so like we said, right now NASDAQ is kind of holding up inside this range or this wedge from the overnight. The London market kind of up, down. But right now, just sitting there, 29,620s now. 29,620s. Gosh. What part of Mexico you guys should look at? San Felipe. No, we're flying into Ensenada. So don't you guys worry about me. I got everything okay. I don't need any help. Appreciate the support though. I appreciate the support. All right, already starting to make a move down here. 29,600. If we start to lose that, we got the overnight low down there. 561s. 561s here. So if you look right now on the leaderboard from the overnight, looks like we got a couple shakers, couple bakers. We've got Uncle Bugatti there, number 5, Dan Good Trading. You've got Forex Ike, number 7. Looks like Kellyanne might be she gave back some profit. D-Money still sitting at number 12 right now. So come on, D-Money. Come on, boy. Denny's trying to bring it back. Denny's got to make a little bit of money here. Right now, he's only down 3,000. He was down 10,000. So, what happened to the dude Minx? Well, it is down 10,000. So, you gotta love it. And the best part is, you really gotta love this, right? The fact that I knew this would happen, right? I posted saying that the gurus would have every excuse possible. Every excuse possible. You know, I said, can't wait to read all the excuses from the Discord sellers who are losing in the BDH tournament. And then guess what? The full-time trader and market architect, her excuse, I don't know. The excuse was that they did it on purpose. They lost it was marketing purposes. Marketing purposes. Yeah, bro. It's always the same story with these gurus. Always the same story. Always the same story. Right now, 29,600 area here on the NASDAQ. Got to see what happens. Why you losing, dude? Comment got me. I mean, it's a pretty good one, right? Internet gold happens on this channel. That's right. The biggest, the largest. So right now, we looked at the daily chart. We've got this wedge on the daily chart, right? Wedge on the daily chart. We're wedging on the hourly chart as well. So the $1 million question, I do feel like there's a good possibility that we push down, we swipe these lows, and then we push back up. Got to see what happens. Got to see what happens from here. But right now, the NASDAQ stuck below 30,000, back to 29,600. Anything's possible. Anything is possible. ES is interesting because the ES is looking a little bit more. ES has got a little bit more strength here. ES is kind of like looking like it already kind of broke out here on the daily chart. Right, unless you're going to go like that. But ES is already looking like it broke out there on the daily chart. So gotta see what happens. Gotta see what happens to me. Gonna fill the gap, they said. Let me see. The gap-a-rooney. A little bit of a gap there. Patrick, should I get long or should I get short? Well, my friend, I don't know. I don't know. We have to find out here. Patience, my friends. Patience. Pay. SpaceX, is it getting someone keeps saying, is it getting added to NASDAQ today? I guess it did, right? Or to the index. SpaceX down there, 159. Still just kind of holding up down here, going sideways now. So big pump on SpaceX at the IPO, and then ever since then, kind of just been going sideways. So yeah, good thing I did not put any money on the USA soccer game last night because USA, I don't know what they were doing. I don't know what they were doing, man. Getting ready here, getting ready for market open. We got about 6 minutes here, 6 minutes. All right, NASDAQ kind of working its way down here into open right now. Working. It's working its way down. All right, we are clearly moving down right here. $1 million question: Will we continue? Will the party continue to the downside there? Anything's possible, obviously. So let's see what happens. Hey, PW, thought you were heading to Hawaii. We head to Hawaii tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, heading to Hawaii. Today, we're going to Mexico. Taking the helicopter down to Mexico, and then we're flying back tonight. So we'll be down to Mexico after I stream. Gonna go get some tacos with Landon. Landon said he's never had a good Mexican taco, so I said, well, I know a spot in Ensenada, the best tacos around, so we're gonna fly down and get it going. Hoofhearted said, PW, how's the lawsuit going? It's all good. We figured it out. Everything's fine. No problems. It's all good. Right now, NASDAQ still moving. We got 2 minutes here till market opens. We got no news today, by the way. We got no news. July 9th, 0 news today, so. Or July 7th today. The next time we have news will be on the 9th. Tacos, no tortas, tacos. Short all day long, they said. All right. Short all day. The chat, they said short all day. Well, if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up, please. Blow up that like button. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Right now, we got 387 likes. We got to get at least 500 here before the market open. Come on. Come on. We're gonna have a gap. We have a gap down here, right? Yeah, there's a gap pretty much like into this 500 area, and obviously we have a big gap to the upside. So yesterday's close, we closed at that 29,940 area. Let's see. The Jamco. What's your real name? J Mako. Trying to figure out what your name is on the actual What's your name on the thingy? You're saying people in Mexico can put meat, lettuce, and cheese on a tortilla better than anywhere else? Well, see, Dave, that's your problem right there, Dave. Your biggest mistake is you just said cheese. A lot of places in Mexico do not put cheese on their tacos, but clearly you already know that, don't you? Oh, Olympic merchant. Yeah, that makes sense then. But what's the name on this page? Olympic merchant. What's the name on this page? I'm so confused. Which one is Olympic merchant? Market is open. Let's go, baby. Straight up here so far. Oh, you gotta love it. 650s now, straight up. You got Nvidia pulling back here, but NASDAQ going straight to the moon. Off those lows so far. I'm gonna try a long right here. See if we could push up out of this through the 700 level, possibly, but I don't know. Some trouble there for now. Trouble. There's no, ooh, right back up. Right back up. There we go. Come on. Get back above 700s here. Or go for that 700 push. Alright, I want to see it start to go straight up here now. It needs to go straight up. Don't get stuck again. Trouble. Need to go straight up here through 660. Should get us up there to the 700s next. There's 660s trying to push. A little bit of trouble there. Job City here. I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit, or well, I was going to, but I would have got stopped instantly there. And we're stopped out now. All right, so obviously the bulls could not get it done for now. We'll see if we get below that 600 level and start to sell back down there, or if we're gonna bounce off 600s again. What do you think? There we go, straight down, 580s now. Just could not get through that 700s for down. I still think there's a possibility of squeezing back up here, but we gotta see. Pulling back into that overnight low currently, the 560 area overnight low. Let's see what happens when we swipe that. There's that 560 spot now. Let's see what happens here at the 560s. Everything's kind of selling off here again, or I guess everything is selling off. Straight down 530s. You got a pivot point. You got this trend line down there 512. So look at this thing. Go, go, go. She's gone. She's gone. You got a huge 5-minute range right now. About 150 points, 5-minute range currently. Taking out the low here so far. Holding that 510 level. You got a pivot point down there, like right around 480s, 490s. So far, straight down here. We lose that 500 level. We'll see what happens. Maybe get a swipe back up. But as of right now, that bear flag playing out. The next level, really, I guess maybe 330s, huh? If we really start to go here. But showing a little bit of a bottom setup here now. A little bit of a bounce area here. From the 500s back up, 540s. Need to look for another short setup if we're gonna keep that party going here. We push back up, maybe tap into that 560 area there next. See if we can get like a bear flag to form here. Although the problem is, see how this is like, kind of like, this is similar to yesterday's reversal, right? You had this low of this candle, the low of this candle, and then this low kind of like just got barely into there. So let's see what happens. $29,495 is that pivot point down there. See if we get this bear flag set up. Bear flagging. Right now, right back up, 580 area. Getting stuck there for now. We'll see if that's going to be like, if that's where the wick's going to get put in there. Get the wick to get put in there. My internet is, wow. All right, I'm going to try a short here to get a move through the 500s. Looks good, looks good. That's 25 points there. W's in the chat only. I'll take it right down here. 30 points. Bear flags, baby. Someone said I'm risky. I mean, are we freaky? Making the money? W's in the chat. I told you. I mean, it does look like it wants to go lower here, so got to see what happens. 5-minute chart right now. Big push back up. I'm not gonna lie, I still think that there's a reversal coming up. The problem is, are we gonna go for this low first, right? Is that gonna be the target first before pushing back up? I do feel like there is some reason to push back up here. And look at that, right back up. That's 560s now. You gotta think that that's gotta be a possible reversal back up here off the 500s again, so. The high of that last 5-minute candle, 576. Can we push up there through that towards the 600s again? Possible. Aloha, Patrick. Good morning, Mr. Aloha. Got Aloha in the chat. What's good? There's that push. I thought we would get the squeeze. There it goes. She's pushing now. You gotta love it. Back up. Back up, Lieutenant Dan. So kind of going back what we said earlier, right? This kind of was looking a little interesting with that setup there. You can see they kind of dipped it down. We took profit right at the bottom there. Right at the bottom of that move now. So the question is, do we continue to squeeze back up here? Showing some strength though. We're going to be chop city here now. I'm going to try a long here off this 560s to see if we can get like 10, 20 points back up maybe. I won't go for a huge move, but see if we can get at least back up there towards the 600s. Trying to hold it right there at that EMA for now. Chopping. Oh, stopped out, really? Almost. Oh my Lord. We got some volatility here, boys. All right, well, there we go. Nice little push back up. Keep this party going. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Get it back above 600s here. So close. So close. All right, here we go. This is the pump, baby. Give me above 600s here, NASDAQ, one more time. Nvidia's pumping up. NASDAQ's trying. ES is trying. Oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord. Did not get filled there. Did not get filled there. There we go. All right, all right. We're up $5,000 here in the Tradeify accounts. Right now, Tradeify's got a deal. It's 5-pack bundle, 40% off. Just getting some little scalps here. She's so close. So close. 5-minute chart, we put in a wick to the downside, but right now I'm putting in a wick to the upside here. So chop city. Chop city here. It's a jump city, and I'm feeling pretty. Yeah, nice little push here. Again, I mean, just got to see if it can actually continue, though. Can it actually continue? The $1 million question now. Kind of holding up here in the middle of the 15-minute range, so good time to be patient here. We got a lot of stuff kind of lining up here. 15-minute range is now set. Big doji candle on the 15-minute chart. Big doji on the 15-minute chart, so. One hour candle, the low on this candle, 491. Just chopping around for now, so. We'll see if this is going to play out like we thought, getting the swipe to the downside and then the push back up to target the gap fill potential. Right now, ES and the NASDAQ both just kind of stuck here. The ES also in the middle of the 15-minute range. NASDAQ in the middle of the 15-minute range. So, let's see. I mean, it's kind of like you're half tempted to try to go short right here. Just because now it's like breaking these lows, but I don't know. Yeah, that would have been maybe the play. A lot of chop right here. I was thinking about maybe getting short. Ugh. Need a better entry. Oh, yep, she's gone. She's gone. All right, I'm looking for a short possible. Just waiting to see if we get a better setup here, but might just bleed out. Or just chop around here as well. Could chop. Could just chop around 540s again. You got a wick on the bottom of that 1 minute candle. You got a wick on the bottom of the 5 minutes. So let's see what happens. High or low for now. Yeah, for now. Fuck. Yeah, see, that's what I did not want to get. I didn't want to short into that. 40 points right back up there. I feel like this is potential for a squeeze back up now. But like I said, it's kind of the chop zone right here. Look at that. See? Oh my. So I'm so happy I did not get short at 520. Trust me, guys. I had my finger on the trigger. Right? I was this close. About as big as my dick close to trying to get short there at the 540s. And that would have not been fun to get squeezed out of that like that. But here we got a nice wick again coming in, so. Gotta see. They wicked up. All right, so we got that wick there. We're stuck below this EMA. I mean, in theory, we should sell down here, so let's see if the theory plays out. Kind of looking for new lows down there. Looks pretty good. Take me lower though. There we go. We'll clip it off right there from the 32s into the 07s. Another winning trade there. W's in the chat. We're up $1,600 times 5 Tradeify accounts right now. That's right. The 5-pack bonus. You can get 5 additional discount. Use the code PW, 40% off. It's like free. Basically free at that point. That's right. That's right. All right. So, I mean, I think a new low is definitely coming here. Definitely some new lows looking tasty down there. Through the 500s, new low. I think if we lose 500s, we go straight down 480s or more. Really quickly, even more maybe. Depends on the price action here. Someone said they're rug pulling the Trump accounts. Oh man, not the kids. Not the kids. I thought the kids are gonna be millionaires, man. There you go. Through the 500s, now down there 480s. That's 30 points. 30 points there. Congratulations. If you took that short. Still going lower. We broke the 15-minute range here now. Oh, look at that. Swiped it right back up. We hit the 480s, right? I didn't say we're going to 300. I said we look for that 480 area. Look at that swipe right back up. The chop is real down here, man. They love to do this shit. They fucking love to do it. Jose says, do you teach strategy still or do you just jump in? I mean, I just jump in. I have no strategy. I have no strategy, okay? I don't know why y'all be like, Patrick, tell us how to trade. Patrick, teach us how to trade, you know? I don't understand the strategy. You know, bear flag, bull flag, bear flag. I don't understand it, Patrick. I don't understand it. How does it work? How does it work? All right, well, there you go. Still going downtown here, 470s. We lost the 15-minute range. You would have to think now, hourly chart, there's a good chance that we try to target this low from Thursday last week, right? 340 area possibly. Choppy, but at least it's volatile. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong, chat. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong. I think I'm gonna lock out of some of these accounts, to be honest. I think I'm gonna lock out of my Tradeify accounts. We're up $1,600. They're 50K accounts. We got the consistency rule on there anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock those out and be done with those accounts, so that way I can't do anything stupid. Look at this, still going straight down now, 450s. If you shorted there at the 500s, you're up 50 points now. Congratulations to all the geniuses in the chat. We got some geniuses in this chat. We smart boys. We smart boys. I'm a smart boy, Lieutenant Dan. My mama said I was a smart boy. I took one more long here. Look at this long. I took a long in my Lucid accounts from the 449s up there to the 67s. Just a quick little touch. And you can see getting short there at the 510s and then covering there at the 494s. And on the day right now, these Lucid accounts, I bought these Lucid accounts yesterday on Monday. That 40% off pro deal. It's just too good to be true. We're making another 4,000 today. We made 4,000 yesterday, so really happy with that. I'm probably going to end up just locking out of those accounts because we're up 20,000 in those accounts. We're up a little over 5,000 in these accounts here so far. So pretty happy with that. Very, very kind of just like trade what you see, not what you think is going to happen today. That was the plan. All right, so let's see what happens now down here at these lows. Can you really go off the lows? You can see this is my little update. The Lucid account started yesterday. We're up $8,000. We've had 0 losing trades there. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. So we'll see what happens now. Being patient, right? I talk about this a lot, right? The big thing for traders is to be patient. After you have a few good winning trades, nothing wrong with being patient, right? Let the next good trade set up. So, do you track national and world news during the day? I've never heard you mention it. Mention what? The news? Yeah, I don't track world news throughout the day trading. I don't track the news. All right, well, NASDAQ moving down there, 430s. The next low here on the hourly chart's going to be right down there, 29,330 area. So we'll see what happens. Give a little update here on the leaderboard of the BDH tournament. Let's see, did we got an update here? We had a 906 update, so kind of looks like basically the same. D-Money not made a trade yet, so D-Money, I hope you're trading, man. D-Money, I hope you're trading because there's an update coming. Come on, D-Money, make me some money, baby. Need that BDH on top. Need that BDH on top. Denny, are you up? Did you make more money, Denny? Denny says hasn't updated the score yet for Denny. Okay. How we doing, Denny? We coming back? We making a comeback, Denny? Denny, tell me you're making a comeback. Tell you maybe come back. Matthew said, where am I at? I don't trade. I'm not trading in the cup because, you know, I'm the biggest and the largest, right? Patrick Wieland, all right? 32 traders, head-to-head stream on the Patrick Wieland channel, right? The biggest, the largest. You can't be in your own tournament, right? It's my tournament. I'm winning. How, you know, I don't want to beat all these peasants. I don't want to beat all these peasants. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, don't be afraid. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Look at this push. This is what I was kind of worried about. Getting worried about that. We're up $20,000 on the day here in these Lucid accounts. So I think we're pretty good with locking out. Look at that pump and then the dump right back down. You gotta love it. A lot of volatility down here, about a 50-point pop, and then came right back. Denny Jones. Come on, Denny. It ain't over till it's over, Denny. I never doubted you, Denny. I never doubted you. I never doubted you. Cut to last night. Me going, oh, Denny's fucked. Denny's Denny's fucked. All right, I'm gonna lock out of these accounts as well. Just got to go ahead and do it. Might as well, right? We're locking out. Lockout. It's a lockout. Shout out to Tradeovate for helping me not be retarded. That's right. Tradeovate, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. Tradeovate locking me out. So we're all locked out there on those accounts now. We're up $20,000 on the day. No reason to give back the profit. We got some more accounts we can trade. And then we're up $1,600 in those Tradeify accounts. So we got Tradeify, we got Lucid, the big movers right now. And NASDAQ kind of holding up down here at the lows. So let me see what other accounts I got. I got some other accounts. What do we got? We got Tradeovate, we got Lucid, we got TPT. Let me see what I got. We can get some more action in here. But anything particular? Anybody got an account particular that we should trade? PW, can you lock separate accounts? So you can actually on Lucid. Some of the prop firms allow you to lock individual accounts, and then others don't. But we'll see. We got Legends coming in with a hot deal right now as well. Legends is 60% off. If you've not checked out Legends, Legends is the tournament that's going on right now. But we're looking here. So right now, the Legends account, $42. They got a buy one, get one deal going on right now. So the Elite, the 50K Elite account right now is $105. The 25K account is $83. So Legends right now with the BOGO deal as well. So how do I feel about Blue Sky? Well, actually, funny that you ask about Blue Sky, actually, because I think we might start doing some stuff with Blue Sky here in the future. So shout out to Blue Sky. Send me that $1 million check and we'll get you on the board. It's $1 million to advertise on this board right here. Right here, people, $1 million. Give me that money, money, money. All right, so this is interesting, right? I'm kind of confused here. Nvidia is making new highs right now. NASDAQ's sitting down here at the lows. So NASDAQ stuck at the bottom of the 15-minute range. The Nvidia just popped to the upside out of the 15-minute range. Something's not correlating. I don't know what it is exactly, but something ain't correlating. There's some weird correlating stuff going on. Some weird stuff going on there. All right, it's kind of like getting tight for a squeeze back up here. I just think it's weird how Nvidia is squeezing up right now and NASDAQ's just stuck here. We're right below that 15-minute range. Weird stuff equals divergence. Really? No way. Someone said, is this going to be a bear flag? It does look like a bear flag there on the 1-minute chart. The problem is I'm just looking at these. I guess, well, 15-minute chart looks pretty bearish. 5-minute chart looks pretty bearish. Let's try a short here. Go for a new low. Possible. Kind of chase that entry, but we'll see if we can get paid here. Looking for a new low. Kind of just chopping. Let me get it. I'll take it right there at the 23s. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. We got a Take Profit Trader Pro account, $500 that we're up now. So, got the Take Profit Trader Pro account. That's a funded account from Take Profit Trader. We're up $500 there. So I think we had what, one losing trade at open. We came back. We stayed focused. We got the action. So, hey PW, what size are you trading? That was one mini right there. That was one mini. Oh my God. Sometimes you get lucky in life, chat. See, sometimes taking profit early is the play. It truly is. Right now, I'm looking. I want to show you this. Right, look at Nvidia right here. Nvidia is popping back up here, so that's what I just don't like. I don't like that. See how Nvidia is making new highs right now on the day. So that account, that is the 50K account with Take Profit Trader. $500 on the day there. So we're locking in some beautiful profits. We're up 1,600 there in those Tradeify accounts. We're up 20,000 in the Lucid accounts, and we just got 500 there in the Take Profit Trader account. So, ooh, Denny's playing strategically. He said, Denny's playing strategically. Let's see what happens. Do we get an update here? We got. Oh, not yet. Not an update yet. Not yet. Not yet. Nvidia is down 2 points plus. I mean, yes, it is, but it's pushing back up here, so that's why I'm just wondering. PW, have you gotten a payout from Legends? I have not gotten a payout from Legends, to be honest. I have not gotten a payout from Legends. I do think they're very legit. I know the guy who owns it. He's a real guy. Real kind of guy. We'll see. Look at that. Little squeeze back up there. That's 60 points back up off the lows there. If you would have covered that short and gotten long, you'd got a nice little pop back up there. So, go long and put on the music. I don't know. See, look at that. Rejected once again. This should, I don't want to jinx it, but this should make a new low. This should make a new low here, right? Through the 420s, down there to the 400, maybe 380s next. Everything's looking bearish now. Huh. Chop City. Are we gonna crack these lows here? 5-minute chart looks pretty good for a move to the downside. We got a new hourly candle there, obviously. Denny says updated, but it did not update. Uh-oh. Denny, what happened? It broke, Denny. Denny, you're still in the red, man. Oh, man. Oh, man, you're still in the red, Denny. Denny. All right, NASDAQ made a new low there, 420s, and then right back up, so. There's a lot of chop down here. Can we get an update on Yush? Yush is up 1,900 on the day right now, but that was yesterday. He ended up $1,900 in profit there yesterday. Man, I just don't know what to do here. It's clearly making new lows, but at the same time, it's just like chopping. Consolidating before the next leg down, maybe. So, I don't know. You gotta wait, they said. You gotta wait. Wait. Oh, that was the dump again. Another 20 points. I'm gonna try a short here. The FOMO is real. Try to get this 400 level. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. There we go. Cha-ching! We'll take it. We'll take it. We will take it. For now, at least. So we got NASDAQ making new lows right there, just kind of grinding back down there. Just grinding back down there. Denny, tell Alex, if you're listening, Denny, tell Alex to figure out what the fuck's going on with the leaderboard again, because we need the updates. I need that shit updated, Denny. I need to see where my boy Denny's at. Looks like D-Money's up 3,000 right now. Little update there, finally, it looks like. Maybe it did. Oh, man. Denny, you're going to have to... I think you got to trade more, Denny. Dude, Uncle Bugatti's up 7,000. Holy fuck. Oh, man. I think D-Money's good. You don't need to trade anymore, D-Money. Just relax where you're at. Maybe just watch it a little bit, but... We'll see. There you go. NASDAQ making the move. That's what I wanted to see happen. We took a short there. We took a short there at the 420s. Now down there at the 380s. Let's go. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you gotta love it. If you like it, if you like pina coladas. All right, so I think 330, 340 area, that would be pretty much where we're headed to, right? That would pretty much be where we're going. For now, at least. For now. For now. Looks like shout out to Greg Tarsus. He's up. He's winning right now his round. So we got Greg Tarsus. This is going to be quite the battle here. Oh my God. Damn good trading. Did he just get passed by Komani? This guy? Looks like it. Uh-oh. Looks like Komani is pushing up there. NASDAQ still moving down. Like I said, that 330 area. Very, very doable now. 335. Now, I do want to say something. We have bounced down here a lot, right? We've bounced down here a lot, so you gotta see what happens there next. Man, oh man. That short, you gotta love it, right? That short from the 420s. Look at how beautifully that played out. That's 100 points now. Almost 100 points at least. Congratulations if you took a short there. Are you guys still bearish for the day? Oh yeah, we're bearish. I like the long idea down here. We swipe those lows. If we swipe 300, I might try a long, but we did not swipe 300. Give it a little bit more room. See if we get all the way down there through the 300s first. But as you can see, this is exactly where we kind of talked about this 340 area. This is the previous low from last week, Thursday. Look at that thing bouncing right now. That's 40 points. Right back up. You gotta love it. Why did I not grab that long? Why did I not grab that long? Come on. Too easy. Too easy now. Sir, we might go to 29,000 today? Maybe. I don't know. Somebody in the chat was talking about how the 15-minute range played out perfectly today. It really did. It really did. We broke through the 15-minute range. We flagged, got stuck there, and then there's that sell down right to that pivot point. So you gotta love it. You do have to love it sometimes. Nvidia's pulling back here as well, so yeah, there we go. Starting to see Nvidia pull back here. Nasdaq obviously pulling back as well. If you look on the hourly chart right now, obviously red. We took out this low down here now, so do we bounce here and push back up? The $1 million question. The $1 million question. Iran news tanking the market again. Uh-oh. Iran. Does the music play for you or only us? I can hear the music a little bit. I don't hear it a lot, but I hear it. Gently. Denny said he's going long if this closes green. Oh man. Nice work, Denny. Another pushback up here. I think this could be the longs down here. Be the bounce off that previous area of support. Someone said the sell-off in the chip makers is why the Nasdaq's dropping. Oh, really? Is that what you think? Apex right now, 90% off Apex. 5 packs available as well. They got a couple different deals going on. The 250K account's super cheap. But Apex right now got some deals. And we're getting ready. Getting ready here. Oh my, look at that push back up now. You can see right now, still stuck there at that EMA. Got stuck right there at that 360s. If we lose 330, that could be another short for the move through 300s if we're going to continue that direction. Do we try the short here? Or is this going to be the bottom for now? A little push right back up. Patrick, do you only trade on the 1 minute? No. I enter on the 1 minute, but I'm watching the 5 minute. And you can see that's that push. So the 5 minute chart still got that big wick on the bottom there. So pretty much what we want to see now is like maybe a pullback into the 330 area for entry. But there we go, straight up now. Like we said, kind of that reversal spot down there. So I want to see if we get a little bit of a pullback here first. But I would like to get long now based on that 5 minute chart. I think we need to like pull back 330s maybe and then push back up. But remember, I mean, right now you're trying to basically find the reversal here, right? You're trying to find this reversal. So sometimes you get stuck. You might get slapped in the face because it doesn't always reverse like you want it to. But here's that 330 area now. So let's see what happens here on the 5 minute chart. Right? We want to see if that wick's going to come in here and be another wick up off 330 now. Am I in a long? I have no trades open right now. You can see my trade screen. There are no trades open. So looks like more downside coming. Possibly. I'm half tempted to try a short right here now, but I'll stick with the long idea and see if that's going to get invalidated first. We're up literally on the day right now. We're sitting real pretty. You can see we're up $6,000, $7,000 there. We're up $20,000 there. And we're also up $865 in that pro account. So we're green on the day. No reason to try to force more trades. Just being patient, wait for the right setup. Yeah, I mean, it definitely, it's a bear flag here on the 1 minute chart. But like I said, I'm kind of watching this 5 minute chart for a possible reversal back up off of this 330 area. So if this 5 minute chart can hold these kind of lows, that would be the reversal setup to push back up, right? I'm like half tempted to just try the long idea. But Matthew Fuller said, "What happened to trading what you see and not what you think?" I mean, I'm trading what I see. Right now, I see the possibility of a reversal here because of the previous low down there that we took. But I mean, I'm not putting a trade on, so relax, Matthew. Relax, Matthew. Guys, I see the bear flag, right? I see it. 1 minute chart, bear flag. I get that. I understand that. I'm not saying that it can't go lower, but at the same time, I'm watching this 5 minute candle and I'm like, huh, do I really want to get short into that wick right there? Probably not, but that's just my personal belief. We got a pivot point right there. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a trade open, so just relax. Everybody relax. There you go. Right? I literally have no trades open, so don't be mad at me. And there you go. So it did move down. I see it. But look at that. Oh. Squeeze it right back up again. All right, well, you can see it's moving down here. You got 270 area, maybe 250, 270 next. Hourly chart, pretty clear to see now where we're at. 290s, still going lower. Still going lower now. Which way is it gonna go? All right, this is that, taking out that previous weekly candle now. The next low is 29,169s. Weekly candle looking very bearish right now. Getting a little bit of a reaction there at the 270s. Just hit the weekly low, previous weekly low. I like the idea of trying to buy a little bounce down here, but you know how that goes sometimes. Sometimes the bounce just continues going lower. I'm gonna try this bounce. 260 stop now. See if we can't get back up towards the 300s. I'm gonna try that a little lower. I think it should get back up towards 300s here. Almost filled. There we go. All right, so long there from the 71s, back up 93s. Like I said, just kind of looking like there was a chance of getting that little pushback up. Looking a little overextended there to the downside. So we also had that pivot point. We had just to kind of go through this again, you know, we just swiped the weekly low, so was expecting some kind of like maybe bounce there. It doesn't mean that it's going to go straight back up, but sometimes good, sometimes bad. So we did get a nice little push up there. We're up $1,200 in this account. We've been trading this account live with you guys. You see the 3 trades that we took. We took 3 trades in this account so far. Short there, short here, took a long right here. But look at how much that went down. I mean, that was almost 200 points to the downside there from that short. So you gotta love it. 28,750 next. I don't know about that. That's a little too far. But maybe, I don't know. It's still pushing. There you go. Up above 300 now. Travis said, why don't I trail my stop instead of closing the trade? I mean, on this type of setup, it's just a reversal setup, so I'm not going to get super greedy there, you know, because, well, the trend is still down. So, to be honest, that's kind of why. I don't know. I trade momentum, right? And I think people always are like, Patrick, why don't you trail? Why don't you trail? And a lot of times I end up just trailing and getting stopped out instead of just taking the profit. So that's kind of why everybody does things differently. Not to say that it's wrong to do it a certain way, but I've just found personally that I make more money not trying to trail it, because a lot of times I just get stopped out. So yeah. And again, like I've said a million times, like what I do is not, it does not mean what you have to do. You know, it doesn't mean that you have to follow my ideas. I'm just kind of throwing out, you know, hey, this is what I'm seeing. This is what's working for me. I think some of my best profit days, some of my best trading days are always the ones where I just take profit, right? The days where I take profit are the days that I you know, have a good day. Today, a perfect example. We're up $1,200 in one account. We're up $1,600 in 5 accounts. We're up $4,000 in 5 accounts. So 20,000, another 10,000, 20,000, another 5,000, another 1,000. So yeah, it just taking profit when you see it sometimes. Look at this push though. The long off the 71s up there to the 320s now. $1 million question. Will we continue to push, or do we roll over here once again now? Patrick, what kind of sandwich do you want today? I'm getting Al Pastor tacos in Mexico today. Thank you very much. Heading to Mexico later on to go look at a house in Mexico. Oh yeah. Another look. It looks like a bear flag here once again, to be honest. Sellers came in there pretty hard. I just feel like I've had some good trades today and I don't want to give it back. Right? TZ said, why don't you do it in a live account? Well, because I'm broke and I have no money, TZ. I've never made any money live and I don't know how to do it. So please teach me how to do it. And I look forward to your influence. Yeah, NASDAQ trying to get that reversal. One hour opening range is set. Oh man. 1 hour. For all the people out there that are always like, Patrick, why don't you trade a live account? Well, you can see right here, this year, right? Trading a live account. We're up $110,000 trading this year in this live account. And to be honest, the last time I took a trade was January in this account. Or no, hold on. Looks like 3. So January, February, March. March was the last time I traded in that account. So yeah, I do it in a live account. I just haven't been trading in a live account lately. But I mean, I've made more money in 3 months than most people will make their entire lives trading. So haters gonna hate, players gonna play. At one point we were up 180,000. We gave some of that back, but kind of is what it is. The live account. It's a live account. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, well, you can see 5-minute chart. We're wicking down here. The question is, do we continue pushing? Can they push it? Can they push it? Robert DeSands, he said he's up $1,000. He's locking out. He's walking away. I like that. I like that. Who's up? Who's up and walking away? Who's up right now? Who's walking away? I want to see in the chat. Who's up green and who's walking away? I like it. We'll start a poll. Let's do a poll. We'll do multiple options. All right, who's up 500? Who's up 1,000? And who's up 2,000? Oh, we can do one more. All right, we got a poll in the chat. Let's see what we got. Right now, NASDAQ just, it's kind of, I see it. It's grinding back down. If we lose this 280 area, maybe move back down, but I think I'm okay with not taking any more trades today. I think I'm okay. Denny Jones, he's up 10,000. Why are you lying, Denny? Denny, why are you lying? There's that 260s now. Ugh. Look at that. That would have been the short right down there now. 240s. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. What NQ are you trading? I'm trading the whatever September contracts. All right, we got a poll in the chat right now. Wow. 37% of the chat are red. 14% green. 17% 1,000. 31% up 500. So overall, the chat is green, but looking a little red as well. Buying the dip doesn't seem to be the move. Yeah, I mean, sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Right now, just kind of holding up down here. I think this is going to be a reversal or a consolidation zone. Something, you know, down here. Look at this push right back up again. Are we dumping because of SpaceX? Possibly. Maybe. Look at this pump, though. Right back up. 280s again. Look at that. You held a double bottom down there for now. So do we squeeze? If we break above 286s, I'm going to try a quick long for like maybe 320s or more. That's only if we basically break out like right now, right here. If not, I'll just stay out of it. So it's trying, little wick down there. You got 30 seconds on this candle. She's trying to get back above that EMA. Basically back above like 86s. I think there's a long setup. 5-minute chart kind of playing out there. Getting tight there, getting tight. Getting tight. Little push, they're trying. I'm gonna try this long right here, a little early to it. So let's see if I get paid or not. Stops at the lows for now. I was a little early to that long. Ugh. Ugh. I think if we get, like I said, back above like the 85, 86s, this squeezes back up a little bit. I like this. Good. Look at this 5-minute candle right now. Got a big wick there. You got 40 seconds left on that 5-minute candle. So if it can just keep pushing like that, it should be good. But as of right now, it's kind of chopping there. Last 30 seconds. That's the 15-minute there, trying to hold up. $12 seconds on this candle to close. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, not the best close there. Not the best close. Let's see what happens here now. We might get stopped out. This is a waterfall, chat. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, God. $28,100 by Friday, somebody said. Oh, man. The Bears are real. Nasdaq's still holding this 5-minute low. We are still long. We'll see if it's going to work or not, but fighting the trend right now, trying to be the hero. Trying to be a hero right now, not a good idea. I got in too early on that trade, to be honest. So if we get stopped, we get stopped. Yeah. Oh my Lord. Is that gonna? No. I'm giving it a little bit of room here. They're gonna swipe those lows and come back up or no? Open a short, close your eyes. You know what happens the minute that you open a short and close your eyes, it goes right back up. But maybe. Ugh. And we're stopped. God damn it. Straight down, 200s now. You know what's going to happen now. I can't. That was retarded. $29,200. That's going to be the stop, the low now. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding. If this pops all the way back up, I swear to God. You gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes, chat. Wow. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this right now, NASDAQ. Don't do this to me. Squeezes back up. Motherfuckers. Holding up down there at the lows for now. Will they squeeze it back up? The $1 million question here. Everybody wants to know. Chop City down there, 230s. Yeah, she's gone. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. All right, NASDAQ just kind of grinding back down here. Ugh. I think this is going to be the low, but clearly not so easy, huh? Not so easy to see the low down here. Not so easy to see the low for now. Oh, right back up. 260s. Got the ES pushing back up. Got the NASDAQ pushing back up. I on it. Fucking A. I don't know. I keep saying I think it's going to be the bottom, but I think it's going to be the bottom here. You know? Goat got all of them, said maybe you need to switch your music to something you had on a winning day. Got all of them. What are you fucking talking? Guys, the chat is undefeated. What do you mean winning day? We're up. We're green. We're fucking green. What the fuck are you talking about? Like, what are you, a winning day? Is this not, we're winning right now, you fucking idiot? It's winning. We're winning. We've only been winning today. God. I think it's a long coming in here. I'm trying a long. Get up here above 300s. Stop loss is right here below the EMA. Aaron says every time he enters, we go down. The fuck you talking about? Oh my lord. I'm gonna try to add here. Fucking A. I'm playing the bigger time frames right now, chat. Bigger time frames. All right, 5-minute chart. I think we've got a setup to try to at least push back up into here. I might be wrong. I don't fucking know. So we'll see. Someone in the chat said, PW, when was your last payout? That would be June 12th was my last payout. June 12th from Lucid. So shout out to the chat. All right, we're long here on the NASDAQ, trying to get a pushback up here. Might be a terrible idea, might be a good idea. But at the end of the day, all we can do is put a trade on. I don't know why I get so much hate for the idea of putting a trade on. I could just not show you guys, I guess. Just don't show any of my trades, and then that would just make me a way better trader, right? If I never show any losing trades, then no one will ever know that I have losing trades, and then no one will be, I have no haters. Right? Isn't that would be genius, wouldn't it? That's a genius fucking move. Why do I show my trades? What a terrible idea. Don't ever show your trades. Don't show my trades ever. Don't do it. Don't ever show my trades. I mean, I've gotten millions. I've got over $1 million in payouts. I don't know what guys, I've been trading it for 10 years on YouTube now. And what? Now we're going to start guessing if I've even gotten payouts before? What the fuck is going on right now? Like, literally, what the fuck is going on here? What do I need to do? I've already proven how many times that I'm the biggest and the largest. Bro, you wrote ICT concepts on your thumbnail, but you don't use ICT. Oh, I use it. I use it. Okay, asshole, I use it. I use it. I use it. La, 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 la. Oh yes, I use ICT. I use ICT every morning to wipe my fucking butthole. The inner circle butthole trader. I'm a butt pirate. Is this a good trade or a bad trade? Should I turn off the stream now, or what should I do, chat? Should I not show my trades anymore because they're all losing trades and all I do is lose? What should I do, chat? What should I do here? I'm confused. The people in the chat said that I don't know how to make any money. Patrick, you suck at trading. Okay. True that. I want to see the possibility of getting back up here to this 360 level, right? I mean, that's kind of what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking here. Let me turn on my ICT real quick. Figure out where we're going. Oh, dude, fair value gap 400s, bro. It's destiny. It's destiny. It's destiny, chat. If the fair value gap does not get hit, it's the market makers. God damn it, the market makers. Not the fucking market makers. Oh my god, the market makers. Moving my stop back down here. I'm gonna add right there, actually. The market makers. Guys, I cannot trade live on YouTube anymore because the market makers, they know that I'm making the money and then they don't want me to make the money. So then they move the market and I can't trade anymore. Guys, I gotta quit. The market makers. The market makers know about the fair value gap. The market makers want to touch my fair value gap. Chat, please help me. I'm scared. The market makers are gonna touch my fair value gap. I don't want the market makers to touch my fair value gap. I don't want the market makers to touch my fair value gap. Ah! The market makers are in my fair value gap. The market makers are inside of my fair value gap. Oh my God, what do I do? Oh my God, the market makers are in my fair value gap. The market makers. Guys, I cannot make the money in the market. The market makers. Hey, was that a good ad? Did I take a good ad there, chat? Is this a good trade? Are we making money? Hey, chat, is this good trade? I'm just wondering, is this a good trade? Is this a good trade, chat? Is this a good trade? Is this a good trade right now? Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking really pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God.
Pushed.
Little cunt.
Pushed.
Yes.
Pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God.
Pushed.
Little cunt. Oh yeah. I got
You turn on the music and the market pulled back. That's
fucking market makers.
Don't worry, guys.
Can you take me higher?
I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go.
Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner.
All right, I got my stops right here.
Break
Break
even, basically.
does trading.
Oh my
Think
God.
about that. That's fucking.
Actually, never mind.
We're holding.
My stop.
The fair value gap is too good to not get touched.
Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Fucking pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God.
Pushed.
Little cunt.
Pushed.
Yes.
And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God. Little cunt. The vertigo, man. 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 The vertigo. Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you and then you can make money. Don't be telling people the secret.
There you go. You gotta love it. Vertigo, man.
Hot guys, I think I figured it
Hot
out.
single Vertigo, man. Vertigo, man. All right, this is looking pretty good right now. I like this push. We get a little bit more out of it. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me a little bit more. Get a little bit more. I am going to put my stops right there, and we're going to let this ride until we get to either 360 or fucking bust, baby. 360 or boost! Vertigo, man. Got to play the pump up song. All right, I got that one coming up next. You got to pump it up. You know, pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Come on, boys. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
Come on, NASDAQ. Pump it for me. I'll put on the music. You know you want to dance, NASDAQ. You know you want to dance. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, the music is not working. The music is not working. Oh, right back to the 300 again. Okay. Oh god, the music is not working. Guys, the music is not working. Something's not right. Something's not right. The music's not working. The music is not working. The music is not working right now, chat. This is not good. Need the other song. Need the ICT song to make it go up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Uh-oh. This is not looking good here. The song is not pumping right now.
Don't you know, pump it up. You
got to pump it up.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to
Ugh, right back down. We got stuck at that pivot point, man. I was a little worried about that. That pivot point right there, the 306 is back down to 270s now. Everything's kind of pulling back here now. ES, NASDAQ. Got to see if we're going to kind of rip it back up here again. 290s. Can it push? All right, that was not good. That did not work. Back to relaxing music. We need some relaxing music. Okay, I like this. Come on, let's get it. I'm going to add right there at 300. See if we don't pop straight back up here. You got to pump it down instead. Damn it. Got to pump it, pump it, pump it. If we can stay above this 300 level, we should try to be able to push back up here, but you can see right now, running into some resistance there at the 300s for now. We get above this 320, I think 360, 400 area possible, but that's all I got. I don't know much more than that. I don't know much more than that, chat. Right now, it is currently 11:02. We just got a brand new hourly candle as well, so got to be aware of that. We did put a little bit of a wick in down here, 275s, right back up. It's kind of like holding on for dear life. For dear life right now. I'd say basically back below 270s. It's not good for the bulls, so we'll see. Got to get this push. I'm pretty much letting this ride at this point. Stops are right here below this low. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But I think the potential for the upside is there. I wouldn't want to be shorting down here, but it doesn't mean that it won't go lower. Sometimes the market wants to go lower before going higher. See, true story. Oh, I do like this though. I do like this. Come on, let's pump it, pump it, pump it. A little bit more pumpy, pumpy. We get through this 320, we're going right to the 360s. Maybe less, but who knows? I'm gonna say that. Make no mistake about it, you know, this looks pretty good. Make a little bit more out of it. I might take off a little bit here at the 330s just to lock in some profits so we're not just getting chopped up down here. The trend is obviously still down, but we're kind of playing into the reversal setup here, right? The trend is obviously down here, so can we get filled here, 330 area? Again, stuck there, 320s. InQ says we love you long time. I love you long time, InQ. Make me party, party. Come on, baby. Is this a good trade, chat? Is this a good trade? Are you guys happy? All right, is everybody happy? Are we happy in the chat today? I'll take off some right there and then see if we can't just get this all out on this push up here. I'm gonna take it off right there. I got one contract left and I'm just gonna let this either go or show or go. Just I don't like how it's getting stuck there, running that resistance again. So yeah, stopped out there for now. Still very nice profit. Just it's fighting. Too much fighting going on here. Too much fighting going on there for now. Too much fighting going on there for now. I don't like it. We got 3,500 people watching. How many likes we got here? We got 982 likes. Can we get a little bit more? Can we get a little bit more? Still just chopping around there. I mean, someone said get short with a 20-point stop. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I would say basically, if we look at the 5-minute chart now, if we start to get below, let's say we get below the 280 area, then I might be looking for a short again. Maybe. But being patient here, you can see it's kind of just like chopping around right now. Chopping around for now, so let's see if we got an update here on the Legends Influencer Cup. Update. D-Money still up 3,000. No update for, well, is it? Yeah, it updated. Grey Wolf, you're up 696 now. Who's he against? You're against this guy, right? So yeah, you got to make a little bit more. He's up 800. Denny, you got to make a little bit more, my friend, if you want to take home the bacon. You want to take home the bacon, boy. Co-trader's P&L is negative 125. How the fuck? Some tight battles here. You got Tar House. Looks like he's gonna go through. You got Matt Kors and Hobo Trades doing some funny stuff. Uncle Bugatti getting passed by Chris FX. Uh-oh. Uncle Bugatti, what happened? How'd you get passed by that guy? How is that possible? I'm confused. All right, well, NASDAQ just stuck here at the 320s. It did pop above 320 there for a second. Trader Yush is going to win. I don't think so. Denny, yeah, Denny was down like $10,000. Shout out to Denny.
Then he was down like 10,000. So yeah, you can see it's still grinding back up here. There's that 340 push. I could have let it ride a little longer, but obviously no reason to do that. So kind of going back to my original idea here of this reversal setup, right? You have the 5-minute candle kind of dip. You had a wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle. It pulls back 237s, and then look at it now grinding back up here. So we do have this kind of 400 level to maybe get retested. There's that EMA, 21 EMA for now. The guy earlier that said he was going to get short at 320 and put his stop loss right above these highs, well, you can see how that worked out. Not so good. Not so good. Not so good. It did not so good. Ooh. I'm excited. We're going down in the helicopter down to Ensenada today. Gonna go look at some houses and some stuff for the Baja 400. So we got a lot of stuff going on today. Party. Drink Bacardi. Right now, Nasdaq still pushing 340s. I should have just let that ride. I should have let it 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 ride. Fuck. Well, there you go. A target has been reached. What the fuck? What the fuck? There you go, 355. That was exactly kind of where we were looking for earlier, but either way, it was a winning trade. So shout out to all the winners in the chat. Winner, chicken dinners. Let's go. Nasdaq still pushing right back up there, 350 area now. ICT concepts work. Oh yeah, man. I'm making $1 million a day trading ICT concepts. I trade ICT concepts. I'm not retarded, I swear, okay? I'm not retarded. Just because my mentor says that the market makers don't allow him to day trade does not mean I'm retarded, okay? Just because my mentor, he said that the market makers came to his house and they anally probed him. Just because he said that does not mean that he's crazy, okay? Just because my mentor said that Jesus came down and taught him to day trade does not mean he's retarded. Just because my mentor said that he gonna make 11,000% return, just okay? Okay? My mentor is the best. My mentor is the #1 day trader, okay? Nobody can day trade better than my mentor. Oh, don't ever forget, chat. Don't ever forget. ICT, today's date is January 27th, 2024. He will be the champion with the highest recorded return until now. I will post a record return of 11,592 come December 2024. He will drop below Larry Wilman's record, and it will be live streamed on YouTube. Expect it. You know the funny thing about ICT, he has never once actually traded live on YouTube and made money. Is that funny? Is that a funny thing? Someone in the chat, Steve Matters, just said such an alpha talking shit about other people. I mean, yeah, I'm the king, buddy. I'm the king. You're the retard who believes that your mentor can actually make money. That's the difference. That's the difference. We're not talking shit. We're just pointing out the actual facts. The actual fact is ICT is a fucking retard. That's the actual facts. You know? That's the actual facts, my friend. Ooh, look at this pullback right now on the NASDAQ. Wow, look at that short setup there. Oh my God. This thing is bleeding out now. I'm gonna try a short here. ICT told me to do it, so if it doesn't work out, it's his fault. Okay? Okay. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. ICT told me. Oh my Lord. Looking to add here possibly as well. I like this volatility here. I think we should continue selling through the 300s again at least. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Is that good? See the difference. You see the difference between a hater and PW is that when I talk shit, I actually back it up. That's the difference. That's the difference, right? When I talk shit, I actually make money. You know, when your fucking retarded guru talks about how the market makers don't allow him to day trade, that is retarded. That's retarded, okay? When your guru teaches you to day trade, that's retarded. That's retarded, okay? So on the day right now, just to kind of recap here, we're up, I don't even know, 1,600 times 5. How much is that? I don't even know. We're up 4,000. I don't even know how much that is. I don't even know, okay? I don't even know how much that is. Guys, I don't even know. I can't even do the math because we're so fucking green. We're so fucking green right now. I can't even do the math. Is the math not mathing? I'm a math star. But honestly, you know what I would love? I would love to get all of the fucking ICT retards, get them all into a room together, right? And then I jump out. Like, what if, guys, think this. We do undercover, right? We say that Michael Huddleston is having a mentorship meeting, right? Where everybody can come and meet ICT. So what we do is we get a big auditorium. We put all the ICT people in there. We have a big stage. And then all of a sudden, once they're all ready, I jump out and they're like, what the fuck? And I'm running across the stage. I'm like, it's me. It's me. It's me. God, they would start crying. They'd go, no. I think it'd be a great idea. Ginger, we need to find a place. We need to find a location to have this surprise. We're gonna have an ICT surprise. Hey, and by the way, don't tell anybody my secret, okay? Everybody in the chat, don't tell anybody the secret. All right? Nobody should have my secret. Nobody tell me my secret. All right, by the way, NASDAQ is still selling down here. If you took that short there, congratulations. If you took that short there, congratulations. We shorted there at the 320 area, now down there at the 280s. You know, I don't want to brag or anything, but I mean, we're pretty good. Hey, look. The idiot's still trading. Oh my, is that D-Money now? Wow. D-Money down. What the fuck? How did D-Money go from being up 3,000 to being down 2,400? Oh my lord. D-Money, you got the rest of the day, man. You got to get it back. Come on. You cannot let the fucking mighty ox beat you, man. Oh, this is turning into a nightmare for me. I was like, I'm not gonna trade the tournament because I'll let D-Money and I'll let Denny, you know, show up. But now, like, what do I gotta do? Do I gotta go log into D-Money's account and show him how it's done? Fuck. God damn it. I should never have given the fucking responsibility to D-Money and Denny. I never should have done it. God damn it. I should have done it. I should have been the one. I should have won for the BDH. I should have fucking won for the BDH. God damn it. Look, we got Denny. Denny's back up. Denny's up 1,400. Come on, Denny. Keep it going, buddy. Nice and easy. God damn it. Fuck. God damn it, Denny. Oh, man. What? Oh, what the fuck? ICT guy was offered $5 million scholarship to go to some school, but he turned it down to grind because he had to go to school for like... What? Dude. The ICT conspiracies are the best. ICT guy was offered $5 million scholarship to go to some school, but he turned it down. What? What? God damn it. Turned it down. He turned down it. He turned it down. Man, another short setup coming here. Watching this 5-minute candle right now, getting stuck there, 300 level. Are we gonna lose 280 and start moving back down here? What do we think? I'm gonna try a short here. Try to short. Well, hold on. We're gonna try to short a little bit more. A little bit more. We need to break this 280 level strong. Oh God. Oh baby Jesus. Oh baby Jesus. When in doubt, pray it out. Oh, baby Jesus, back to the 300s. Oh, baby Jesus. 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 Oh, baby, I'm gonna lock it in right there. I'm gonna lock it in. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. 10 points. 20 contracts, 10 points. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. D-Money, let me come. I'll come. D-Money, let me. I'm gonna fly to the BDH. I got you, buddy. I'm gonna come trade for you. Don't you worry. Patrick's gonna come. I'm gonna make sure D-Money wins.
I'm going to go trade his account real quickly. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Because I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on. Let's just a little quick recap, you know, not to brag today. How much is this? How much is 16? Someone do the fuck. I need a calculator. I need a fucking calculator. 1,600 times 5. That's $8,000. God damn. $8,000 plus $20,000. All right, we're up big. Guys, we can't lose. We can't lose today. This is just too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. Yeah, where my haters at now? Where my haters at now? Where's the guy earlier said he makes money fading me every day? Where'd that guy go? Nicola said, can you teach us how to trade? Yeah, we're trading live on YouTube. You can see every single trade that I take here. I mean, right now, this is a bear flag, right? 280 area. If we lose 280s, you're looking for more downside, 260s or so. It's all going into the 11:30, so I got 30 minutes here. So shout out to Legends right now, 60% off Legends plus BOGO deal going on over there as well. So check them out. Legends Trading, the sponsor of the BDH tournament today. Looking here, who's winning, who's losing. It's gonna be a tight one. Uncle Bugatti and this guy, they're gonna be tight, tight, tight. This guy's killing it. He's up fucking a ton. Matt Kors trying to take home the win. Greg Tarhouse taking down Sage Trades. You gotta love that. Denny Jones, you gotta make a comeback, Denny. Gotta make a comeback, Danny. Kellyanne coming in hot. SK Trading having a little bit of trouble over there. Cove Trader, I don't even know. He's got no money left. Lumi Trades getting her butt beat. ICT in the hole. Mighty Ox, this one hasn't updated yet. Oh, buddy. We'll see what happens at the end of the day here. It's going to be tight, tight, tight. Man, D-Money. D-Money. Man. Oh, man. Why is there only 30 traders left on here? Who dropped out? Do we have 2 traders drop out already? What the fuck? What the fuck? Two traders did not meet the 5 trade minimum. Man. Who was that? We got Hobo Joe in the chat. He's number 10 right now. Hobo Joe in the chat. He's up $3,500. Who would have thought the guy named Hobo Joe would be up? He'd be green. Shout out to Hobo Joe. Gotta love it. D-Money will bounce back. We'll see. We'll see. He's got some time. He's got all afternoon to make. All he's got to do is make a couple thousand. D-Money's down 2,400, but he ain't got. It ain't, you know, it ain't over till it's over. It ain't over till it's over, baby. 15-minute chart looking a little interesting here. You got this wick on the bottom of the candle, not much wick on top. You got wick, kind of an indecision candle, and then this candle kind of pushing right back up. So
PW, how come they still allow you to trade prop trade? Because you're making these companies loads of money? I mean, why would they not let me trade? PGT, why would they not let me trade the props? What do I do that's not right, you know? So. I follow the rules. I'm not doing anything illegal. Why would they not let me trade it? Uh-oh. Big news here, chat. Big news just dropped. The winner of the Legends Cup will also receive this mystery box, courtesy of the BDH. What does that mean? What does that? I don't even know about this. What does that mean? What are we doing? We're doing a mystery box for whoever wins the Legends Cup. What the fuck? What could this mean? What could this mean? What could this mean? Am I in the Legends tournament? I am not. I am the host of the Legends tournament. I thought that it would be wrong for me to beat everybody. You know, that's what I was thinking. So that was, you know, it was my tournament and I was like, man, that's messed up. You know, hosted by Patrick Wieland. You know, no surprise that the AI woman thing is in -0. Does not surprise me one bit. And the funny part is they kept trading today as well. Yesterday they said they were trading on purpose. You gotta love it, right? This is literally the funniest shit I've ever read in my life. So you have this thing that says that I knew exactly what I was doing and it worked. Learned his marketing strategy from me. So you're telling me that you entered a tournament, you then lost on purpose so that Patrick Wieland would talk about you. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Live video of all the Discord sellers right now making excuses. They all got excuses. Always got fucking. And then my favorite about this whole thing is she says, or I say he, whatever the fuck it is, full-time trader and market architect. What the fuck is a market architect? What? It is a man. That's 100% an AI man. I mean, I don't want to get all into it, but I got pictures from a long time ago that when the AI wasn't so good. You know, the AI wasn't so good a long time ago. I don't know, chat. It's questionable. It's questionable. It's questionable. Questionable. It's questionable. All right, well, like you see there, NASDAQ is kind of chopping around here. So, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's like every fucking photo this girl posts, or this whatever girl or guy, it's like every fucking photo is AI. Like, why is every photo AI? Like, every fucking photo is AI. Like, every photo, they look different. I don't understand it. If you're truly a woman, like, why do you use AI so much? You know, like, look at this photo. Like, that's not even a real photo. Like, look at the background. Why does the background look like that? The market architect. The market architect got the... All right, so like, look at this photo, right? And then look at this photo. They're like, it's always different. The CIA project. I don't know. It's just, I'm confused.
I'm confused. But this is the person that is literally selling a Discord. Trying to get them views, baby. Trying to get them views. Trying to get those fucking Discord sales. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. Haters gonna hate, but I mean, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. What is that? What is that, chat? What is that? I don't know. You're giving it too much attention. True. All right, let's do a poll. I just want to see. I don't know either way. Is it a dude? Is it a girl? Is it a man? Is it a... I don't know what it is. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think, chat? We got a little poll going here. I'm interested. We're doing some market research. We're doing some market research. Doing some market research. Market research here. Who cares? I care. Okay, I care. I fucking care. Okay, I care. Patrick Wieland cares. Right? I care. That's why I care. Yeah, the chat cares. It's more manly than Denny? Oh man, that's messed up. You're gonna call it Denny like that? I don't know. But based on this photo, would you say that's a man or a very fugly woman? Very fugly looking woman. Has no ears. Yeah, but that's because the filter, bro. The filter. It's an Luxottica ad. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. I'm pretty excited for this mystery box. I want to know what's inside the mystery box. A bunch of... That would actually be really funny. That would be really funny. What if we did the mystery box for the winner of the BDH tournament is just a bunch of dildos. Just some big old fucking sex toys. Just a bunch of sex toys. The mystery box. What is inside there? What's inside the mystery box? Nobody will ever know. Nobody will ever know what's inside the mystery box. Except for the winner. So y'all are gonna love the mystery. I kind of know what it is, but it's gonna be funny. All right, so again, just kind of recapping here. We've got the BDH battle going on. If you guys have not been paying attention to this, we got, looks like oh shit. Oh shit. Denny, looks like Denny's moving on. Denny's back up. Denny's back up. Let's go, Denny. Denny's guy is in the red right now. Denny's in the green. Denny, 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 Denny. God, you gotta love Denny. You gotta love him. All right, right now, NASDAQ once again stuck here, pulling back 280s. Can we make a new low going into this hourly candle close? Maybe. We had the wick to the upside now, and we got this wick down here to test. 29,200 level. We're selling once again. We're selling once again. Selling once again. Let's go. Denny's going for the Grand Slam. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. I see what you said. Denny's going for the Grand Slam. I should have known. That was funny. It's a triple stacker. Denny's gonna go for the triple stack. Triple stack pancakes. Is Denny a man? We might have to do a poll. Chat, we're doing a poll. Is Denny a man? All right. The question is out. Is Denny a man? Let's look. Let's look here. What do you think? Is that a man? Is Denny a man? Half man, half corn dog. Man. Oh man, I can't believe Denny. Y'all voting that Denny's not a man. Man. Fucking Denny. Oh man. Denny. 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 Oh man. Man, poor Denny. Oh, poor Denny, man. Poor Denny. Denny got it like that, man. He got it like that. You gotta love it. This is what it is saying now. Goal is to lose $15,000 with 2 contracts in less than an hour on the cup. These gurus, man, these gurus always be loving it. They always be loving it. How much is this fucking bullshit? Let's see how much this bullshit is a month. How much is it a month? This is why you gotta love too. Years in the industry, a passion for trading and education. That's what built Traders Wealth Lounge. Traders Wealth. Traders Wealth. Can't even fucking see how much it is. Oh, it's $50 a month. You gotta love it. Futures trading competition for free. You gotta love it. I hope none of you guys get fucking scammed by a dude pretending to be a woman. I truly hope that. I mean, I know that people are dumb enough to think that ICT actually knows how to day trade, which we see that, but I just hope that it's not happening. Dude, this fucking video, this guy is a legend. Like, he's such a legend. Look at this. Yeah, I was watching a video last night of all his like highlight goals. What a legend. What a legend. That's AI. Nah. It's not AI. It's real. It's real, man. Why y'all lying? It's real.
It's real. All right, we'll finish this out with just a dude. Some of these goals are crazy. Oh, dude is good. He's young too, right? Isn't he like? Isn't he in early 20s still?
Gets up and he puts it into the back of the net. The first chance of the day.
Nasdaq squeezing back up here.
As he scores the two big opportunity.
Yeah, 25.
He doesn't miss those. 12th
Dude, look at this. Oh, dude's big. He's athletic. He's like clearly athletic as fuck. Watch this right here. Woochoo! You gotta love it. Look at this pump right now on the Nasdaq, pumping straight back up here. Pumping straight back up here now. Pumping and pumping. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Up, 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 up. Well, you can see they playing dirty down here now. They playing dirty. Big squeeze back up. Big pop back up here. Playing dirty now. We're going to pop these highs. Let's try a little scalp. Little scalp here. Try to pop these highs one more time. Go up there towards the 380s maybe. Right up to the 380s there. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Bump, 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 bump. If you guys are just now tuning in, if you didn't tune this morning, we are green, green, green on the day. Having a great morning here, making some money, hanging out with the chat, and doing it live, you know. So, welcome to the party. We're here, we're doing it. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Oh. Going into these 12 o'clock hourly candle. Going for the hourly candle. Looks good. Come on, pump it, pump it. One more pump up there to the 80s. Come on, it's too easy. Fair value gap wants to get tapped. The reason I like that 80 push is you look at the 15-minute candle, there's a 78 high. Right? There's that push. 78 is the high of this 15-minute candle. So I'm thinking that we're going to overshoot that. Right? We try to overshoot that there. And then we can get filled. So let's see. I got to go pee. I got to go pee.
Oh. Why did it not pop up? What happened, chat? What happened here? All right. Now it's going to pop up. Trouble. I'm just going to try to get out of this once we try to pop back up for a winning trade and then be done. We got this, we got 10 minutes until that 12 o'clock candle. So see if we get a little push back up here and then just jump out. If we can get like above the 60, maybe like up into here, basically. Where's the music in the background? I got the music. The music makes me. I'll sing the music. The music makes me. Put the Vertigo song. I got you. Vertigo. Let's close it out with a banger. Close it out with a banger.
ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed.
And I push. And I push.
Down hard. Oh my god. I guess the market liked that news, or they like the song.
I sat there.
Going down hard. Oh my god. Little cunt. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push. I sat there. Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt.
Push.
Yes.
Push. I sat there. Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt. The vertigo, man. The vertigo. 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 Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you and then you can make money. Don't be telling people the secret.
All right, well, there it is.
Market making a push there. We're going to lock it out. Very green on the day. Very happy with that. So I like making money. We're doing it live. $20,000 Lucid. $8,000 with Tradeify. And then Take Profit Trader. Getting that pump there. So it's a good day to be alive, my friends. Good day. We're heading down to Mexico in a couple hours to go do some reconnaissance. And we got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. So there it is. There it is. There it is. What a time to be alive. Bulls struggling to break out. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of just like right there. Pushing back up. Big move down today. Could be some consolidation here for a minute. We had all this support down here, previous support. Will that turn into actual, bounce support here? So we'll see. Anything's possible. Green, 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 baby. Long live Mexico, you bastards. Hey, Eric. Whoa. Hey. 99-cent corn dogs at Sonic. Oh. Okay. Good to know. Good to know if anybody's in the mood for a corn dog. Looks like Sonic would be your spot. Your spot there. So there it is. If you guys have not already checked out the Tradeify deal right now, you got 5-pack bundles. You got 5-pack bundles, 40% off. Also Legends, 60% off, plus the BOGO deal. All kinds of deals hitting the board. We got Lucid, 40% off the pro accounts. No daily loss limit there on those pro accounts either. So there it is. Are you on any of those funded accounts on live yet? Raphael, no live, just funded. How you eating a corn dog without looking gay? That's a good question. Kirshner, you tell us. You tell us. So there it is. If you haven't already hit that like button, we got 1,200 likes on the stream. We can get a little bit more. Get a little bit more, can't we? Get a little bit more. Get a little bit more. You look both ways before eating the corn dog. Huh. We'll see. Someone said, is Denny single? Yeah, no, he's a character. Denny's a woman. We had a poll earlier. It's been voted. Everybody voted that Denny is a woman. So at least we got that out of the way. Denny's a wizard. Yeah, he is a wizard. That is for sure. Well, there it is. We got D-Money coming up in a few minutes. And then you've got the Denny show tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern. If you've not tuned in to the Denny show, you're missing out. You're missing out on the Denny show. So get in there. Have fun. I'll see you guys later. We'll be back tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. And you already know. Peace to the Middle East, baby. I'll see you when I see you. Guys, I think I figured it out.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my God.
pushed, 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 pushed,
Little cunt.
pushed, pushed, pushed,
Yes.
pushed, pushed, pushed. I sat there, pushed, 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 pushed,
Going down hard.
pushed, 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 pushed,
Oh my
pushed,
god.
pushed, 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 pushed.
Little cunt. I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys.
Can you take me higher?
I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.